Leo and the Missing Key. Leo is a young man. He lives in the city, but he loves the mountains and nature. Every summer, Leo goes camping. This year, Leo goes to Lake Blue. The lake is far from the city. Leo has a small green tent. He puts his tent next to a big, quiet river. The air is fresh and the trees are very tall. One afternoon, Leo decides to go fishing. He takes his fishing rod and walks to the river. Before he leaves, he puts his important things in a small blue wooden box. The box has a small lock. Leo puts his phone, his wallet, and his car key inside the box. He locks it and puts the key in his jacket pocket. Leo spends 2 hours by the river. He catches 2 small fish. He is happy. When Leo comes back to his tent, it is almost night. He is hungry. He needs his car key to open a bag in the car that has his food. Leo reaches for his jacket pocket. The pocket is empty. "Oh no!" Leo says loudly. "Where's my key?" He looks everywhere. On the tent floor, under his sleeping bag, and near the campfire. No key. Leo remembers the river. Maybe the key fell out of his pocket while he was fishing. It is very dark now. He takes his small flashlight and walks back to the river. He looks at the ground carefully. He looks at the big rocks next to the water. After 10 minutes, he finds nothing. Leo sits on a rock. He is sad and tired. How can I open the box and get my food? How can I go home tomorrow? He thinks. Suddenly, he sees a small, shiny thing next to his foot. It is small and silver. It is his car key. Leo smiles a very big smile. He quickly runs back to his tent. He opens the blue box and takes his food bag. Leo cooks his fish and eats dinner. He puts the key back in the box and locks it again. Tonight, the key is safe. Leo is happy and he sleeps very well in his green tent. Now it's time for the Leo and the Missing Key song.
Leo goes camping in the mountains tall. Green tent by the river, he loves it all. He puts a small blue box near the quiet fire. Lock it up, higher and higher. Oh, the key, the car key, where did it go? Little silver key, tell me, do you know? Fishing by the river with a happy sound. Now the key is missing on the ground. He needs a key for food. He is very hungry. Goes to his pocket. Oh, it's empty. He looks in the tent under the bag so deep. Key is not there when Mittens is asleep. Wait, no cat, just Leo! Oh, the key, the car key, where did it go? Little silver key, tell me, do you know? Fishing by the river with a happy sound. Now the key is missing on the ground. Hey, hey! It is dark outside, Leo takes his light. Flashlight shining, what a scary night. He goes to the river, looks at the big rock. Will he find the key before the clock? Oh, the key, the car key, where did it go? Little silver key, tell me, do you know? Fishing by the river with a happy sound. Now the key is found. And the key is safe now. Happy Leo eats goodnight, little key on the camping street.
Sing and learn English.